Hi, I'm Ben from Currys Business, and I'm here to showcase some great benefits for taking care of your day-to-day with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you're hungry to take your business to the next level but feel the burden of admin is holding you back, this is the phone for you. Samsung have packed their new Galaxy Fold 6 full of amazing AI features that can help you improve your workload on a daily basis. Experience greater efficiencies with Browsing Assist 2 and get summaries of industry news and reports in an instant. You will be able to capture, summarize, organize, and translate your thoughts, meeting notes, and action points with Note Assist 2, all while you're reading reports, joining calls, or reviewing documents. Deal with international clients seamlessly thanks to your personal hands-free interpreter. Whether you're on a call or having a face-to-face meeting, Live Translate and Interpreter will be there to help you to communicate effectively. All you need to do is press one button, and the translator will do the rest for you.
Et le traducteur fera le reste pour vous.
And you can make light work of intensive research, receiving instant summaries and translations when exploring web pages, helping you understand more faster. Access business insights at your fingertips using Circle to Search One. Circle, highlight, or strike through text and images on one side of the screen, then get instant Google search answers on the other. You can circle to translate words, or even circle a QR code to help read and see where it directs you. The split screen view also lets you run your search while you're on a call or reviewing a document. Shop online now at business.currys.co.uk to get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Or if you prefer, talk to one of our business mobile experts in our UK-based specialist business centres for more information.